Hi everybody! So we're trying out this really cool new live feature on Facebook. This is our first live video. So totally not rehearsed, but we've got a lot of questions lately about our spa Dent take home whitening kits. So I wanted to kind of show you what's in it, how it works, and all that good stuff so you can refer back to anytime you need to. So the first thing is we get lots of questions like how much whitening do you get in it? So on the side it has got a little kind of a description here. So one of these whitening gels that come in the kit is equal to 50 uses of whitening toothpaste, 25 uses of whitening gel, or 5 boxes of Crest White strips. So I think you should be able to get from this gel foam dispenser about 10 to 20 uses of the whitening. We do sell these refills when you are finished this pump. So what comes in the kit? This comes in the kit. This is the whitening gel. A little holder for your applicator and light comes in the kit. This is the tray, and I'll show you how we load this and how you wear it. That also comes in the kit. There's a self-assessment guide. One of the hardest things probably we find with patients in whitening is that they say, I don't think it's really working, because they don't have anything to sort of compare back to. So I always say, boy, if we could just whiten people's teeth one arch at a time so you could compare top to bottom, you would definitely notice a difference. But because we do both at the same time, sometimes it can be harder. So you can kind of gauge where you're at with this little guide to start off with, and then mark a little star on it. And then as you go through it, you can sort of see the change. Now, it is recommended, if you have not done whitening before, that you do nightly, every night, for 5 to 7 days for 20 minutes under the light. After that, once you've achieved the result that you want with the whitening, you can slow it down to once every 1 to 2 weeks and sit under the light for anywhere for 10 to 20 minutes. Now, having said that, you can't generally over whiten your teeth. You can't sort of put it in every night for 3 weeks and do a lot of damage to your teeth. So it's a very individual and individualized preference as to what shade you want to get your teeth. But nightly back-to-back use, at least at the beginning, is super important. If you miss a day or skip a day, you're going to sort of almost revert back to where you started, and you're not going to notice that big of a result. People who've whitened their teeth before and generally like the shade of their teeth and it's just maintenance, they can start off by just doing it once every week, a couple of times a week, whatever they need just to give them that shade bump. Staining foods are going to make a big difference when you're whitening. So we do recommend that for at least 24 hours after you whiten, to stay away from really staining foods. Spaghetti sauce, red wine, coffee. Those are probably the big ones, and tea. So a lot of our patients will, if you're a real big coffee drinker, for the first day or two, they'll start to drink coffee just through their straw, so they're not sort of swishing it around on their teeth. So I kind of think that's it about the ins and the outs. So let me just show you like how to actually do it. Okay, so you're gonna get this in the thing, in the kit. There's also batteries that come in the kit, so you're just gonna load the batteries in here. There's a little plastic tab that pulls off, make sure that tab comes out. When you buy a refill, I believe this refill comes with more batteries for the light, because the batteries will dry out. So, you know what, I think I got this on backwards here. There we go. Okay, so you're just gonna take this applicator and attach it into the light. Oops. Like that. Real time live. Okay, perfect. So that's in like that. I have got 2 cotton swabs here. So I'm gonna load the tray with whitening on the top and on the bottom. So you can see, if we come in kind of close, as to like how much gel I'm actually putting in there. It's not a ton. That's probably even maybe too much. I moistened this little Q-tip, so I'm gonna spread this around on the front part of the tray, because that's where you want to whiten, is on the front of your teeth. You don't need to get it like super far back. Generally just in your smile line is where you need to get it. Okay, so there we go. That's all in there. Now, I'm gonna place it in just like you will at home. Okay, so you're gonna put it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in now. So I won't be able to talk. But I'm gonna warn you, it tastes terrible. It really doesn't taste good. I hope you expect that. You're whitening your teeth. They have not formulated a fantastic flavor for it yet. So just go ahead, pop it in.
And turn the light on.
Okay, so my mouth is full of this whitening gel. I'm just gonna spit that out. When you're done, rinse your mouth out of the whitening gel. You're gonna take this off. So you're gonna sit under this light for 20 minutes at the beginning, 10 to 20 minutes at the end. You're just gonna rinse this off. Rinse all the used whitening gel out. You're gonna probably wanna spit a few times in the sink and have a glass of water handy to just kind of rinse your mouth out of that yucky taste. And that, I think, is really about it. Dry this off, let this dry. Tomorrow, the next day, come back to the same thing. So I hope you liked our first live video. It was fun. I had fun, and the Spa Dent kits are $99. So they're super affordable. They're easy. You don't have to make an appointment to come into the office to do the whitening. Sit in front of your TV while you're reading a book, while you're just relaxing at home. So super easy, super affordable, and message us on the Facebook page if you want more information. Thanks, bye.